beautiful loves. It is Ashley Love. It has been a long time. It has truly been a long time, y'all. I have taken some time off to work on some new merch and some different things that are going on. I'm part of a new cosmetics line that is coming out, Vic Cosmetics. So amazing, phenomenal things are happening, but I'm back and I've got my sidekick, my Princess Victoria here.
Hi guys.
To help me unbox one of our
Ipsy
favorite subscriptions.
But before we open this, you have to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of these videos, and give this video a big thumbs up if you
That's right, y'all. Subscribe. I am Simply Beautiful. Rock with it, y'all. Okay, anyways.
Let's first get
So I am super excited. Let me open this. Y'all know this is my absolute favorite
company, Ipsy.
And can you tell it's hers? That's why she's in the video. Ipsy needs to get her on as an influencer, because when Ipsy comes to the mailbox, this girl is running. All right, so I am opening it, and I'm gonna take the card out, and then you, my dear, can take the bag out.
Whoa, it's so pretty. Can you see, guys? It got all these little kids.
It's my favorite. Have you seen my?
And it's for Valentine's Day.
Have you seen my Instagram and stuff? I love it.
Go check out her Instagram.
At I am Ashley A Love. Is this a whole video full of plugs?
Oh wait. You didn't tell them how you can get your merch.
For some reason, we are there.
Oh, wait. You didn't tell them how to get your new merch coming out.
I am Simply Beautiful merch on Instagram. Go check it out. All of the links to the products are in the bio.
Products. So, anyways,
we're back. Let me read to you the card for this month. And it says, "Swoon so hard. There's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip for more on those," which means it's over here. "Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush. Ipsy Addons. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples, hair, makeup, skincare, and more to add to your next glam bag, starting at $3 a piece."
Wait, what?
Yes, we'll keep things fresh with 30 plus new add-ons every single month, all from brands you love, like Smashbox. You'll never run out of things to try. Get free shipping on add-ons always. That seems kind of cool. I might, if I see some samples I really like, I might be taking them up on that. All right.
So this bag, it has all the kisses for Valentine's Day, and then you got the little Ipsy tag, and it's red, and it says Ipsy.
And tell me, is this not an adorable, adorable bag, y'all? I absolutely love this month's bag. Like I said before, I'm absolutely in love with kisses and lip prints. So we're going to open it, and she's going to hand each of the products.
Yay, this one.
But first things first. How are y'all doing?
Is your day
how is your month going? How is your year going so far? We are almost halfway into February. I cannot believe this year is going to fly by, just like last year and the year before. But are you ready for Valentine's Day?
I am.
Are you ready for what I call self-love day? If you not only is Valentine's Day for me about loving your partner, but also loving who you are and taking some time for you as well. What can you do? You know, take some time, get your hair done. Take some time, get your nails done. If it's going to a movie, a spa, a salon, if it is just taking time out to read a book,
go to the movie.
Do that, because believe me, it'll make you feel so much better. All right, so first we have, is this Meech and Mia pressed eyeshadow in taupe. Can you see that?
Oh, that's really pretty. It's like a tan color.
It is in
Let's try it out on you.
And it says it's a brand that's always on trend and affordable. What's not to love? This matte finished eyeshadow looks chic from day to night. And it's so good for adding subtle depth and definition to your neutral eye look. Tip is use a fluffy eyeshadow brush and apply it to your eye crease and then blend. So if I can get this open.
Yeah, I got it.
I got it. If I can get this open. Of course, this video is not going to be edited, so pardon me for a few seconds while I open this thing. It is beautiful.
Let's put it on me and you.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, that is a really pretty color. I don't know if you can actually really get the gist of it. Where is it? I can't really see it. Did you really swatch it on you? Oh, you can't actually see it, but it might be the lighting in here. I'm sorry. I'm recording. I'm recording in my bedroom instead of my living room.
If you can see
but
that color.
It is.
It's like a purplish tan color.
It is
it's
like
really
a purple.
pretty.
Why is it so? It's kind of dark in here. But it's like a purplish color, so that is really pretty. Okay, on to the next thing.
Which I'm opening it this time.
I love brushes.
Brush.
If you really care about me, give me a brush. Give me a brush set. I absolutely love brushes, y'all, honestly.
Exactly.
And this is a brush from, am I going to say this right? Aisling Organics Ecolux eyeshadow brush. Brush with kindness. Not only does this baby gorgeously blend concealer and shadows, the brand gives a portion of their proceeds to Lipstick Angels, an organization that provides beauty services to cancer patients. Use this blender side to blend shadow into your eye crease and the flat end to smudge it on your lower lash line. Ooh,
that looks so fluffy.
That is really nice.
It looks really soft for like your eyes.
I'm going to be using this. All right, so
next thing, which I'm gonna open it.
Hold on, let me put it out there.
It's this.
It actually came like this. It is from MAC. What? And it is Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NC30.
If you want to see this on both of us, hold up.
And
like
there is that. Now I'm actually not going to swatch this right now. I may do another video, or you can check out my Instagram of me actually wearing it. I'm not going to swatch it right now. I absolutely love trying out different foundations and powders. So this will be something that I can do for y'all as far as on Instagram later.
Next thing is Larziti Cosmetics
Larizzi Lip Gloss in Curve.
Let's take it out.
Oh, we didn't, wait. We didn't talk about. The MAC Cosmetics celebrates individuality for all ages, races, and sexes. This matte finish powder foundation gives medium to full coverage, goes on velvety smooth, and blends like a dream.
Ooh.
Again, I'm looking forward to that. Okay, let's see.
Let's open this
All right,
up.
this is all of Larizzi's products are cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and made without parabens or phthalates, so they're not harmful to you or animals.
Good to know.
That word was a challenge. This glossy mauve formula goes on smooth, keeps lips hydrated, and doesn't feel sticky. Plus, it looks fab on so many skin tones. Okay, let me open this. If I can get it open. And this is what it looks like.
Like red, kind of like a little red, but darker red. And then like a purple.
Swatched.
That's light. If you can see that, here, let me go a little closer.
It's actually
if you can
really...
see that, It's like a glossy purple.
It's very glossy.
It's really
It's very
glossy.
glossy.
See, if
Hold
you
on,
can
hold on,
see
hold on.
that, that's what it looks
Let me
like.
see. That's it.
It's kind of clear.
That's it right there. I'm not sure you can see it too much, but I'll definitely try this. And if not by itself, I would also use this over another lipstick. I've got some NYX matte lipstick over there that this may, I can put it over it and it will gloss it on up.
Here's the last thing.
We're down to the end.
Aww.
And this
That's
is
okay.
Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Y'all, I love me some toner too. I'm all about like the face and facial cleansing and trying different foundations and stuff. Like, I'm all about it. And this is what this looks like. I'm not sure if you can actually see it or not. I apologize. Like I said, I am filming in my bedroom, so possibly the lighting is not the best. But this is founded by a working mom of 4. Pixie is all about products that multitask. Made with aloe vera to soothe, ginseng to help circulation, and glycolic acid to exfoliate. It's no wonder everyone at Ipsy headquarters is completely obsessed with this glow getter. Tip: begin with clean skin, soak with a cotton pad with tonic, and smooth it across your face, neck, and chest. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. So let's
if you
recap.
want to get this package from Ipsy, you get a bag. So here's how many things you get.
You usually get a bag and 5 products. And so if you're interested in joining Ipsy, or if you're already an Ipsy lover like I am,
you get a bag and 5 products.
Let me know down below exactly what you got in your bag this month. And definitely you'll tag me in your video. I definitely want to see it. And if you're interested in getting Ipsy, there is a link where you can go get it below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, it's kind of a little
dark,
but you know, we'll fix that. But I had to get a video back out to y'all because I missed y'all so much. And it's been so long since I've been on here. So I hope y'all are having a blessed weekend.
It's been so long
yes, I hope you're having a blessed weekend. And you have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
From any of the videos, go check me out on the other video. I was in the snack box video, and we
y'all look, hey.
So go check that video out.
If y'all need an influencer,
call me
for your kid brand, y'all
know who to call.
This one right here. She's going to give you every shameless plug possible, okay? Every shameless plug possible. Go check out the
other video that I was in.
Yes. Go check it out. I'll even put the link for you. Y'all have a blessed and a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. Remember to take time for yourself. I am working on some amazing projects. We have I Am Simply Beautiful merch that is launching April the 30th. April 30th, the merch is totally launched or in pre-launch phase now. I am also a consultant for Vic Cosmetics, which I'm super excited about. We're in pre-launch phase as well, and we'll be in launch phase as of February the 18th, and so I'll put that link below. And look, y'all, this is your community. What do you want to see on here? I'm back. I'm ready to build, to grow, and to get to know each and every one of you. And I thank you for sticking with me. And let's keep rocking. Y'all have a good day.
Comment down below if you want to see me in more of her videos. Bye, guys.
Have a good day.